Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I wanted to share with y'all that I have a new lens. Now, you already seen the title, no need to play around, but first I want to go into, I just finished my 4-hour shootout with a bunch of photographers, teaching them lighting and stuff. It was a workshop. We shot in Colombia for 4 hours. I got another one coming up. This one going to be in September. It's going to be in Florence, South Carolina. So if you would like to join, go to my website and sign up for that. I also got a retouching workshop coming up, a retouching class coming up. You can't sign up for that on my website. You have to go to my media page, my Tron Moses Media Facebook page to sign up for that. And you also pay for that on Facebook. I'm teaching y'all how to retouch images. And the reason the price is low is $30-something. I don't remember the exact price, it's $30-something. The reason it's low is because it's a group thing. Now, if it was just me and you one-on-one, it'll cost more than that. All right? So anyway, I got me a new lens. I got the 135mm 1.8 art lens. I'm telling you, I've been wanting this lens for a long time. Now, first of all, let me run down this. This is not gonna be a long video. I'm gonna try. But look, a lot of people wonder, because I put the unboxing in the photography video. I put the unboxing in a photography group. And photographers are wondering, why didn't I go with the 105? Now, as y'all know, I already have a 105, 2.8 macro. I use that for macro shots and headshots. That's all I use that lens for. But the reason I didn't go with the 105, 1.4 is because I'm not fond of that focal length whatsoever. Now, let me tell you who that lens appeals to. That lens appeals to people who do bokeh in every photo shoot. Every photo, bokeh, 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 bokeh. That's why they get it. Even Sigma Art call it the bokeh master. I'm not crazy about bokeh. I like a little bit of blur to make my subject stand out. And I could get that at 2.0, 2.2, just a little bit to make my subject pop. I'm not really into blurring the background because I want to show scenery. I like environmental shots. That's why I like the 35mm, because I'm able to get my subject and what's around my subject. I'm able to get the grass on the ground or the gravel on the ground, the concrete and the sky all in one photo. But what made me get the 135 over the 105, even though I'm hearing that the 105 may be a little sharper, I got the 135 because of the compression. The compression. Sharpness, compression, contrast. I love the compression when I see full body shots, even though everything will not be full body shots, because that mostly won't be my thing with this lens. A lot of stuff might be waist up, but I'm gonna do full body shots as well. You know, and I just love the compression of this lens. I've been wanting a 135 even before I heard of Sigma Art lenses. Even back when, was FJH, y'all know who FJH is. Even back when I remember he was shooting with Canon and he had a 135L, I was like, man, I love the look of the 135. I was with Nikon at the time, but I love the look of the 135. I love the compression. I love the sharpness. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So now I finally got me a 135. I'll be shooting with this beast. I haven't done no photo shoots with it yet. Matter of fact, the next video I do talking about this lens will be the photo shoot. Will be a photo shoot I do. Because y'all know, listen, If you've been watching my channel, you've been following me whatsoever, you know I love art lenses. I'm not following behind nobody. I don't know anybody else that just stick with art lenses. I don't know anybody personally. I don't know anybody on YouTube. I don't know anybody on Facebook that do that. But I decided myself to stick with art lenses because it gives me the quality I need. It gives me the quality, the sharpness, the contrast. And anybody that deal with art lenses know these things are built like a tank. This is a heavy lens, but I know a lot of people stay away from lenses that are heavy and they complain about the weight. I don't care about the weight. I don't care if this lens was way heavier than this. I'm gonna get me some sharp photos, I'm telling you. I'm gonna get me some nice, crispy, sharp photos, so I can't wait to shoot with it. I know I'm gonna have to do a lot of backing up. That's all right, might have to yell down the street. That's all right. I want what it produces. So I can't wait to shoot with the 135. For those of you who don't know, I already have the 20mm art, 35mm art, 50mm art, 85mm art, 105 2.8 macro art, and the 24 to 70mm art lens, 2.8 as well. So this is my 7th art lens. Now let me tell y'all, let me put it out there now. My next art lens will probably be the 40mm or the 35mm 1.2. Because lately I'm loving how the 1.2 looks. I'm loving how that looks. Anyway, so that's my predictions, so to speak, of the next lens I might get. But right now, I'm loving this. I'm loving the weight of it. I'm loving the feel of it. I'm getting ready to shoot with it in a few days. I'm going to do a video on that, of course. And of course, I took a little break, but we back now. And I got a bunch of photo shoots I want to share with y'all. I got a bunch of talking head videos I want to share with y'all. I have a bunch of stuff on the computer, on my hard drives, my external hard drives. I just need to edit them up for y'all. I've been resting. I've been chilling. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I have, once again, I have the 4-hour shootout coming up in September. This is the first time we doing it twice in 1 year. If you want to sign up for that, go to my website. If you want to sign up for the retouching class, it's only $30-something. I don't remember the price. It's $30-something now, but next month it's gonna go to $50-something. So if you want to learn how to retouch images, sign up for that. I'm not withholding nothing. I'm teaching you what I know, right? All right, so I just wanted to show y'all that I got this new lens. And I am ready to shoot with it. I'm excited. I love photography. I love photography. And soon I'm gonna do a video to show y'all some of the photographers who work inspires me. And the reason I want to do that because most of these guys you probably never even heard of before because they're not even in United States. You may have never heard of them before, but they do amazing work. So I'm probably gonna do like 5 to 10 photographers that you never heard of before who work inspires me. All right, so anyway, with that being said, I'm gone, I'm tired. I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.